Hello everyone, Quingama here. Today I will show you how to use the Ubuntu Startup Disk Creator tool. This tool is used to make bootable Ubuntu installation tools to install Ubuntu on other computer. First open up your program searcher and type Startup Disk Creator tool. Then open the program. Make sure you have an ISO of an Ubuntu installation. This tool only works with Ubuntu installations. I will be using Ubuntu Mate 18.04 32-bit for this tutorial. You can find Ubuntu images at cdimage.ubuntu.com. If your ISO file is not found, you can browse for it with the browse feature. To make an installation, click Make Startup Disk, then click Yes. Make sure you have backed up everything on the disk, as it will be deleted. Put in your administrator password that you made for your account, then click Authenticate. Please wait, as this process may take a while. As an alternative, you can use Baleno Edger, as it supports all ISO files and can flash a USB from a URL. And there we go, our installation is done. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video, please. Thank you.